a fluff ball, goats, and a horse's. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that. And as well as my friend Wyatt.
And me. This is comedy here.
Your face is comedy.
That much is true. But then again, so is yours.
Both my voice and my face.
Oh no, that's my job.
Okay, your cameraman.
No.
Yes.
Die.
Remember, I have to work on my thing. Don't mix it.
Okay, you've been working on your thing for the past 15 minutes.
Okay, fine. You can work on your thing.
Yeah.
Come on, Ralph. Come on, you big floof. But no, people. Well, we're not going to be insulting each other today, for we have created something magnificent. Our own homemade Skyrim forge.
Makeshift.
Yeah. That reminds me.
We're not master smiths. Our smithing is currently at 20.
Okay, seriously, I need you to hold this real quick.
Sure.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Take it and record me real quick.
All right. What in the name of Sam? How you doing? I'm following.
Bring it back a little bit.
Okay.
You still want to turn this thing into a shield?
Yeah, I'm still thinking that. It used to be a flower thing, but with the but if we do it right, we should be able to turn it into a shield.
That's very much if.
Yeah. I mean, it is flimsy. I'll admit it's flimsy, but it'll work.
That hurts the middle finger. Like, I'm not even joking. That actually hurts.
Yeah, I know. That's the issue. Whom. You wombo.
Okay, now.
Death.
This is what I've been practicing on
Okay.
a little bit.
I'm following you. I'm following you.
I'm wanting to see your face whenever I have you put this into the bucket of water.
Okay. You're gonna have to be the cameraman, though.
I know.
Earlier you told me there was sparks coming off.
Yeah.
That would have been nice to have.
Okay.
That actually does kind of look like a bar of I'm trying to remember the stuff.
Yeah. Now, so
Camera.
put this into the water.
Got it.
Hold up.
Yep.
Trying to get it set. Okay, go.
And there's rust coming off it too.
Yeah. But that's the most heat that we've had out of this so far.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't doubt you neither.
Okay, we're gonna be leaving this in here for a little bit.
Yep. And now I'm gonna try and make myself a moonstone ingot. What out? I actually used that stuff to upgrade elven armor recently.
Okay.
I'm not kidding.
The only reason why I'm gonna let that joke pass
is because it's Skyrim.
Because we made a makeshift Skyrim forge. Therefore, you pass a gut punch.
Haha. I win.
For now.
I win.
Wait, should we show them what happens whenever we wash that off?
Oh, God. Whoa, what the heck?
Yeah. Okay, I'll get the hose.
No. I'm gonna dunk it in the barrel.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa. Okay.
Got this?
Yeah, close up.
Ladies and gentlemen. You can see it moving.
Yeah. Okay, slowly pull it back out. Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to remove paint, use heat.
Hold on, I
and
gotta
cold.
see. Dude, that's
you did
honestly...
a number on that.
That's honestly pretty epic, though.
I know.
Okay, so what you mean is...
Had a clean metal in a nutshell.
Yeah. Okay, whoa, hold up. See?
Yeah.
See that spot right there?
Mm-hmm. Put it over that?
No. I gotta put this into it.
Ooh, yes you do.
There we go. Now,
This is like the most natural recording ever.
it's not scripted.
Well,
That's how the best
that's the
YouTube
point.
videos are made. Everyone knows this.
Well, yeah. That's the whole point of YouTube.
Neebs Gaming.
So let's try to do them. I'm not kidding. They're good.
Football.
Rabbit.
Wait. What?
There's a rabbit hopping around over there.
Wait, is there seriously?
Yeah. Do you not see it? Over here. Step where I'm standing. It's golden.
Golden.
It's freaking...
Guys, I am blind. Oh, I see it. Hold up.
See?
Let me see if I can't just zoom in here.
Enhance the vision.
Freaking Android camera.
Freaking Android camera be trash.
F in the chat.
Press F to pay your respects to this channel.
Hey, you think that's good enough for the mine?
I'd let it sit there a bit longer.
Okay, hold.
Let's see if we can actually get it to glow. Ladies
in that
and
case, we're gonna have
gentlemen.
to move some stuff around.
Oh, I know what we could do to make this even more like an actual Skyrim forge.
The heck are you thinking? Oh, remember, due to YouTube's new policy of demonetization, that crap.
Which is? What's its policy?
Since I'm new, we can't cuss in the videos.
That's annoying.
Yeah. Unless we want to lose our money rights.
I'd rather not.
Yeah.
Wait, lose the money rights to the channel? Or just lose the money rights to the video?
Video.
Oh, I mean... why not?
I mean, why not?
I mean...
Oh, God.
You moron! You've Oh, man, I forgot to get it on camera. when you goof, when you mess up when you're trying to make gold ingots, but it's not working.
We are using a smithing, not a smelter.
I apologize, but I don't.
Didn't get it on camera.
Okay, this is why I should not be a cameraman. I'm not good at it. I told you. I told you this.
Okay.
I warned you before.
Keep an eye on that.
Hold on. There, it's dead.
Honestly, there's two ways that this video could go.
Good or bad?
Whenever I watch it, it can be either cringy
or freaking hilarious.
Wait, turn the camera towards me real quick.
Yep.
With this face, probably cringy.
I've seen worse. Oh, okay.
Okay, that looked like it was glowing there.
That is actually glowing.
Well, I'm not satisfied yet.
Satisfaction not at 100 yet. Not yet, anyway.
Smithing is below 0.
No, smithing is at about 5. If it was at 0, we wouldn't be doing this. Oh yeah.
Yesterday.
Oh yeah, take this.
Oh, what did you do?
No, I haven't done anything. There's one more thing we need to make this actual Skyrim thing.
I am scared. No. Are you getting what I think you're... Yes. Yes.
You can't have a Skyrim forge without a little table with weapons.
You mean the,
And there's one more thing I'm missing.
Don't forget my spear. No, my spear's going in the ground.
Actually, no, wait. Put the spear in the ground behind it.
Actually, yeah, good idea. Guys, just so y'all know, this is how not to forge.
Precisely. Not really.
Because we have no clue what we're doing. Let's just be honest here.
Ladies and gentlemen, viewer discretion advised. We have no idea what we're doing here.
That failed.
So if you're trying to learn how to smith from us, good
don't. Luck. No, there's no good luck. Just don't.
Do not attempt this at home unless you are out in the middle of nowhere.
We kind of are. Then again, we kind of aren't.
This is what I like to call a country suburb.
Okay. Hold.
All right. What am I pointing it at?
Well, we're about to see if this thing's glowing yet.
All right then. Testing. Oh, it's definitely glowing.
It's glowing.
It is glowing. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a glow.
Why did you put it right in my way?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't. Okay. Oh, I thought I saw some sparks. But that had to have been the most amount of heat we've had thus far.
Just bending it the wrong way.
No, you're actually, okay, yeah, that would make more sense if you wanted to bend it that way.
Okay, hold up. Fix this. Get it in the hole.
According to the laws of science, nothing should be able to work. But we have decided...
And yet we're making it work no matter what.
Oh, yeah. Just goes to show, science doesn't know everything.
What's the bee thing that you was going on about earlier?
Yeah, according to all known laws of aviation, a bee should not be able to fly, but it does. Don't look at me as to how.
Okay. Honey, technically, kind of is high in fat. But remember,
It's pure sugar.
But remember, muscle weight is denser than fat.
Right.
Therefore...
Chunk.
Okay, we need more heat on this.
Yeah. Also, I apologize for putting that in the way, but what else do you want me to do?
Actually, no, that works because of hammer.
See?
Ooh.
Although if I had my actual table out here, we could actually have...
Okay.
My phone just went off. It's probably saying it's that little battery.
Yeah.
You take the device.
Idiots that don't know how to charge your phone. You cannot deny that. You look straight into the camera and try to deny it.
There's this little thing known as a hammer. I will use it on you.
Oh, crap.
What?
Anvil.
Oh, yeah.
It's slightly tilted. If you're going to actually do this, do not have it slightly tilted.
Yes, do not have it. Do not have it tilted.
Why did you mess with this?
I wasn't trying to.
It's fine.
I was trying to get them on.
Okay.
Oh, crap. Hold on. I gotta grab it at a better angle. Stop it.
That one extra...
work here.
That one extra brick.
When you just need that one extra thing, and it won't work.
Yeah, okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm going to be doing the hammering on this one. Or are you going to put it in the...
Okay, let's put it in here one more time, and let's see what it'll do. Let's get a close-up good shot on this. There it goes again. It's warping. Yeah, see it?
Yeah, I see it.
And just like that, all the hissing stops. Doesn't really look all that changed.
Actually, hold on, turn it back the other way. That kind of looks actually like a moonstone ingot from Skyrim.
Yeah, it kind of does. Just flattened into a pancake. Quite like pancakes.
Actually kind of has a neat design to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, back on the fire.
Do you want to try something else with it? Because we kind of ruined that one. Because I'm kind of wanting to try that one over there.
What, those two?
No, not the two.
The big one?
Yeah, the big rusted one.
Sure.
I want to know what happens.
Let's see what happens then.
Be gone. Failed.
Hashtag death. Calm down.
Comedy. Okay.
It's in your head.
I'm pretty sure no one gets that reference.
All you Jeff Dunham fans out there, get the reference.
Okay, we actually watched... We actually watched Jeff Dunham today. One of the new episodes.
Oh, yes.
It was hilarious.
Mm-hmm. Jeff.
Glowing. Look in the center.
Yeah, that's
Look in the center.
That is glowing.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Always be nice to your parents, kids. Just saying.
You're one to speak.
Hey, I'm trying to help people be better than me. Can you blame me? No.
No, but that's kind of easy to do.
Well, duh. I'm one of the worst human beings on the earth.
Okay.
Wanna know what I'd recommend you do?
Okay, get a close up. was still rumbling whenever I was about like right here, dude. I could still feel a vibration.
Yeah, it's hot. That is what we call a freaking... That... Okay, I'm gonna switch to the metal piece now.
Whoa, dude, look at it.
That straight up looks like corrodium. That are dwarven. Or dwemer, whatever you want to call them.
With the dwarven, it has,
The dwarvish is a bit darker than the corrodium.
Yeah, if you think about it, dwarven would actually be kind of technically a type of tin.
Yeah, it would. I mean, considering the fact of how easy it is
to mold, then all of a sudden, as well as how it looks after it's been molded.
Right.
Then again, that could just be the rust.
Yeah. Can you melt down the dwemer parts for dwarven metal ingots?
Guys, I'm sorry for y'all that play Skyrim. This dude is a novice.
Help. I need lots of it.
Yeah. Mentally, physically, and on game-wise.
Oh, yeah. I have no game smarts. I just beat the crap out of anything that dares oppose me.
Or shoot before it sees you. You are a... Dude, camera.
Oh, yeah. I always forget about the camera. I told you.
We're recording. That's why we're talking so loud, you idiot.
I told you, I'm a terrible cameraman. I warned you before we started this. Now you freaking take the phone. You know what you're doing.
Fine. Oh, God.